Guys, welcome back to my channel BS Tech. Today we will do exercise with this drawing. Okay, we will make the model with this drawing. Okay, so let's start to create a model from this drawing. Okay, so this is front view and this is top view and this is side view. Okay, and this is isometric view. So first of all, we will create uh, front according front view. Okay, so it is 80 and so first of all we will take a rectangle that will be 80 and 40. Okay, corner rectangle. We will change the unit in mm. Again edit it. That is 40 mm and it is 80. Okay, okay, now see this size is 40. Okay, now we will take a center line. We'll mirror it. This thickness is 10 mm. Okay, and its complete height is 40. That's mean it's 30. We will draw a line here. Ten mm offset. We'll extend these lines. Okay, then look here, there is the 45-degree angle. Okay, so both sides. It is 45 degree. That will be also mirror with this center line with respect to me. Okay, we will trim it extra material. We will draw a half circle here. That is radius 10 mm. Okay. Okay. Then we will trim extra part like this. We will fully define the circle. Okay. Okay. We will extrude according this. This is 40 mm and 40 mm and it is 30 mm. Okay. We will extrude it to 30 mm. Okay. Our dia is 20 mm. I was given it to 10 mm, but that was a dia, not a radius. So it will be 20. You can see this image. Okay. Radius it's mean dia 20 mm. Okay. Now we will draw this extruded part. Okay. So its dia is 40 mm. Okay. It is 20. You can do it just like so. 40. Let's check. Okay, ठीक है. Convert it to this one. Convert entity and trim. Okay. Now we'll delete this dimension because it is also constant from the corner. That's why it's fully defined. So there's no need to dimension because it is also 40 mm. Okay. Now we'll extrude it to 10 mm. There should be merge here. Okay. Now you can see your model is ready. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, thank you.